Hey guys, welcome back to the Battlecast video. Today, I think I'm gonna true form Dogemaru. I gotta check Yamatoto first. So I finally got enough green stones from jinfore, volcano, and Ashvini desert. So now I can true form him, which pretty exciting considering that is the last one I need. Because I already have, wait, oh, wrong one. Actually, no, right one. Considering I already have, Nala, I already have Doran, I already have Urs. Now it's time for Dogemon. Yippee! Dogemon true form. I wonder what he's called Reborn Warrior Dogemon. Instead of just awakened Dogemon like all the other ones. So, yep. Looks sweet. And yes, this is after I beat Lusa. He's so expensive though. He's so expensive. Anyways. Well, I just want to make a quick recording of finally getting my last U Ultra form. Not counting Lusa. So, yep. I'm gonna go, actually, wait. Let's do any other, oh god. Cursed Flaming Party. How many more minutes? Oh god, 10 minutes. Just go in with the random loadout. Oh my god, I do not have time for this, but I gotta remake my loadout how it usually is. Feels like it's taking years. Cyborg. Actually, let's test out my new Behemoth Slayers. We're definitely gonna need those. Let's get Urs, Doran, and Nala in here. Let's see how they do. Alright. I hope there's Mega Mojo in this, because then these guys can shred him. So oh, okay, Baron Bunny thingy. That's what Courier is for. You should do it. Or kill it, or whatever. Okay. I think it's KB, though. It's pretty annoying. Okay, Relic. Looks like I made the right choice so far. SBK. Not ready for that, but I'm sure Courier can deal with it. Okay, this one's really tough. Okay, we have a miniature Courier stack that can deal with that BB money. I'm gonna stop spawning for a little bit so I can save up money. Considering I'm pretty sure my unit's gonna be able to kill that SBK by now. Yep. Don't want any more units, so I want to save up now. Ooh, perfect, second SBK. I wanted that, actually. Now, hopefully it'll kill this SBK too. That will be bad. Okay, good. They're not gonna kill the SBK. They're not gonna kill the SBK. Nice. Now I can lure again. And, attempt to actually kill them. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna stop spawning again and just save up cash. Saving up cash is very important. Alrighty. Base. Yes! Mega Mojo, let's go! I never thought I'd be happy to see Mega Mojo. But I am happy because I know I'm gonna shred him. Because I have my UL true forms here. So, yeah. Alright, anyways, time to lure. Get out of here, Trolley Parker. No one likes you. Alrighty. Alright, let's go. It's just Mega Mojo too. These Nala's gonna have no time bullying this thing. Nala is one of the most effective counters. See? You know what I'm saying? I knew it, bringing you all to truth form would be a good idea. I knew it. Now they can shred this thing like butter. Considering Nala has literally all the multipliers in the book against this thing. This is why I also like Nala. Nala just completely destroys this thing. I would use Luza, and I technically sort of do have Luza. Oh, Diona was in this? Oh. I did not bring Octopus. Okay, good. I killed him before Diona came, so yippee. Great, I'm gonna have to rely solely on... Doran's gonna miss! Okay, Doran. We're gonna need Nala and Courier. I did not think there was gonna be a Infernal Pegasus Diona. I did not expect that. Great. But I think I can beat this. We should have run Octo, which is something I'm heavily regretting now. For one, I did not know there was Diona in this. I expected Mega Mojo because I know the next two stages have Mega Mojo in them, so it makes sense to Mega Mojo. Raging Glory's in here too? Great. It's going to hit Diona. Stupid wave. Got like a bajillion Pierce. Okay, good, we got Doran, Go Doran, do something. That third is strong as beans. Oh, obviously. Raging Glory. Very strong. Just save up enough for Nala. See, this trolley blogger's gonna kill me! No. Oh, Courier just KPing it casually. This is why Courier's great. Oh, Nala, go carry, please. Oh my god, Courier! Stop freezing. Nala. No, Wild Oach, get out. Get out, Wild Oach! Stop, Wild Oach! No. Stop it, Wild. Get another Doran, but I'm poor. Oh, yes. Doran, go. I know these troll vloggers will be turning my life into heck. Ahead. No. I think my courier's got a hit off there. Everything is so laggy. I can only... The cat cannon! The cat cannon killed Diona! Oh my god, that's actually kind of funny. Nah, the cat can killing Infernal Pegasus Diona is crazy. That's kind of funny. Jeez. That's why I love battle cats, when stuff like that happens. Actually, back when I was still at Catch the Cosmos, when I was fighting the final cat god, he actually got killed by the cat cannon, which is ironic because he's supposed to be the final cat god, but he also has the lowest HP. And he's more of a support unit than he's an attacker. Because he just warps all your units away before he can actually deal damage. Which is so stupid, but whatever. Also, UL True Form carry. I love UL Legends. They're just so good. They're honestly too good sometimes. Anyways, once I beat this stage, I'm gonna end the video. So, cannot believe I actually did this first try. Should have brought Octo, but you know, can't complain that I'm still beating it. So, now I can access higher levels in jinfore volcano. Anyways, guys, I think I'll end the video here. See you guys in the next episode of Battle Cats.